Good evening, everyone. Welcome to our channel, Bistro Ginkgo, the Longevity Cuisine. We are today at Iceberg in our apartment for the next 2 weeks, which I called Uhuhele. It's very comfortable, and we are eating a big dinner, a very big dinner. We already at 5 courses now. We eat the 6. This can be seen as main because we want to have very big protein. And the Singapore method is using sesame oil. Then we got it today at the supermarket in Føtex. And now I marinated for the first stage 1.5 hours ago. Now it's just frying. For these, the Japanese, they fry it and then cut it in slices. They eat this with rice. I'm not going to use rice. We want to eat just like as I fry. Because we are very tired, we need to recover, we need protein. This is for tomorrow. We planned 600 grams, but we cannot finish it. Then we eat it tomorrow. And this is just to fry. I use the biggest fire. And actually it's not enough because the technique should be much higher temperature early in, and then the heat and oil seal the outside. Then the meat will very tender. Today I only bought some wheat to make jiaozi also, and I didn't buy the potato starch. I want to coat it with potato starch, but I don't have it. So that means I can, if the juice come out and the meat is not as tender as I wish, then we have live with it. It's fate. It's fate. It's like you cannot do the things always perfectly. That's the reason why we go on vacation, because at home I have everything. Then I can adjust the thing as I like, or at Bistro Ginkgo I have even the fire, the open fire, and not this induction thing. Now I reduce a little bit the using 1,500, because with this moment the heat is going in to cook the inside without getting. I reduce it to 800 now, for not have everything outside black, but not this pan, this quality I don't have at home. You know, this, it's like it's this apartment. It's not my place. So if it's black, I'm sorry for that. Michael, I'm sorry for that.
No problem.
Yeah, it's not. It's really not my own pan, and I'm happy that I didn't use any flour to coat it. Otherwise, it will be very bad. Now the dish is ready. Oh yeah, it's ready. It's ready, and I have to use the rest of the flame for maybe 1 minute to let the heat go in without hurt the surface of the steak, the pork steak. That's all what I can do in this moment. Yeah, it's okay. I hope it's still tasty. Michael, I hope it's still tasty. You believe that?
It will be tasty.
I hope so. Now going out. So normally I want to use it later, but if it's dark, it's a pity. Then I have to clean the pan. Otherwise, it's perfect. If it's not dark, it's perfect as a base for frying vegetable. Get the meat umami into the vegetable. But in this case, I would wash. Yes. Michael, the main is ready. This is the 6th course.
Thank you.